gmail.com.
Next is question number 8 from exercise 6.5. This is also very important question. Question number 8 from exercise 6.5. Very good question. It is also asked so many times for the board exam. So note it as important. Question number 8. Exercise 6.5. The question is, in the given figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that first part is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second part is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So the given conditions are OD perpendicular to BC. Given OD is perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, OF perpendicular to AB. First part to be proved is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Now second part to be proved is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. These are the two things which we have to be proved. The figure is given. So let us draw the figure. We are drawing triangle ABC, right triangle ABC. Right triangle ABC. O is any point on the interior. Let this be the point O. We are drawing OD perpendicular to BC. This is the point O. OD is perpendicular to BC. OE perpendicular to AC. And OF perpendicular to AB. OF is perpendicular to AB. Now we have to make some additional constructions, that is join OA, OB and OC. Let us join OA, OB and OC. Now, OA square and OD, OA, then it is OD, OE, OF, OD, OE, OF. So we have to consider triangle OAF. We have to consider first of all triangle OAF. Consider triangle for the proof of the first part. Consider triangle OAF. Here this angle is 90 degree, therefore OA is the hypotenuse. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to, that means OA square is equal to OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. OF square plus AF square. Let it be equation number 1. Now consider triangle OBD. OBD. There is OD and BD. Consider triangle OBD. Consider triangle OBD. By Pythagoras theorem, again by Pythagoras theorem, here OB is the hypotenuse. This angle is 90 degree. Therefore, OB is the hypotenuse. OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OD square plus BD square. OD square plus BD square, which is equal to equation number 2. We are naming it as equation number 2. In the third, we are taking the triangle. We have OF and C. OF is also there. Then we need OD, OE, OF. OD and OF are there. Now OE, we have OE and CE. So we have to take triangle OEC. Consider triangle OEC. Consider triangle OEC. Again by Pythagoras theorem. Here this angle is 90 degree. Therefore OC is the hypotenuse. Therefore OC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. OE square plus CE square. Name it as equation number 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3. Adding equation number 1, 2 and 3. We will get the left hand sides as OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square is the sum of the LHS, left hand side, is equal to sum of the right hand sides, that is OF square plus AF square, OF square plus AF square, then plus OD square plus BD square, OD square plus BD square, plus OE square plus CE square. OE square plus CE square. We are taking OD square, OE square and OF square to the left of the equal sign. We will get, that is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus this OD square. Then minus OE square. Then minus OF square is equal to the remaining quantities AF square plus BD square, then plus CE square. First part is over. We proved the first part. Now we have to prove the second part. For proving the second part, from the first result, from part 1, we have AF square plus BD square plus CE square, that is the right hand side of the part 1. AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to, the left side is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square, then minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Now, look into the result. AE square, we want AE square on the right side. What is AE square? AE square is equal to OA square minus OE square. OA square minus OE square. So, rearrange the terms on the RHS. This is equal to OA square minus OE square. Then plus, then the result on the RHS is CD square. Then what is CD square? CD square is equal to OC square minus OD square. OC square minus OD square. Arranging. Then the third is BF square. What is BF square? BF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. OA square minus OF square. Rearranging the terms of the RHS, we are getting OA square minus OE square, arranging, and OC square minus OD square, then OA square minus OF square. OA, OB, OC. Here it is AE square. We want AE square. AE square is equal to AO square minus AF square. AE square is equal to OA square minus OE square. It is okay. Then second, CD square. CD square is equal to OC square minus OD square. Then the third is BF square. BF square is equal to OB square. OB square minus OF square. It is OB square minus OF square. It is equal to BF square. So the result is, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to, from the figure, OA square minus OE square is equal to AE square. Then plus OC square minus OD square is equal to CD square. And OB square minus OF square is equal to BF square. Thus, we are getting the result of the second part from the first part itself. From the right side, we are getting the result of the second part also. So, it is a very good question, important question. So, note it as important and study very well. Thus, we obtained the two results. So, hence proved the result. Hence, we proved the result. Okay, it's a very good question and note it as important and study very well. Okay.